Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Instinct E, and I'm gonna show you how to pause the workout on this watch. So let me start a workout quickly. So I'm gonna press the GPS to open the activities menu, find the workout I want to start, press GPS again, and the workout will begin. And now to pause the workout, you can simply press the GPS button and the workout will be paused. And if you want to resume it, you can press the GPS button again and will resume. Also during the pause, you can press the back button to open a menu, and here we can resume, save, resume later, make a lap, back to start, so start from the beginning, and discard it if you don't want to save the data from your workout. I'm gonna discard it because I don't need the data. Then tap on the, or rather press the GPS to confirm, and the workout will be discarded and stopped. Okay, and that's how you pause the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.